Peace and Pan-Africanism, brothers and sisters. Your big brother is back, and we've been under attack by the Youtubian struggle streamers have been attacking the FDGM school. They attacked my Cash App. They attacked the PayPal. They attacked the Zelle. They attacked all of it. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to announce something that they can attack. The King Kong coin. That's right. I'm dropping my first ever crypto meme coin designed for Africans to support the FDGM school. This is the coin that we need, brothers and sisters. This is what we need, cryptocurrency. That way the Youtubian struggle streamers will not be able to attack. That's right. They won't be able to assault us anymore. We can get this school off the ground, brothers and sisters. So we building a school. We going to finish what we started to build. So you don't have to worry about hit the Cash App. Now we're going to flip the coin. Flip the coin, brothers and sisters. I want you to understand, and overstand. Flip the coin. Flip the coin. We're going to flip it. That's right. We're going to flip the King Kong coin, and we're going to make it great. We're going to make this school great for black boys and black girls. That's right. We're going to flip the coin. And this is for you. Buy it for your mom and your dad. Buy it for your aunties. Buy it for your grandparents. Buy it for your ancestors. Buy it for the people in the multiverse. I don't care. We can go intergalactic. That's right. I'm talking to my Martian Africans. That's right. I'm talking to my Neptunian Africans. I'm talking to them all. We are here. We want them all to support this school project. We want them all to support the King Kong coin. Flip the coin. Flip the coin. Flip the coin. Say it again. You didn't understand. Flip the coin. That's right. This meme coin is going to take us to the next level. The next level. Never mind that you haven't actually seen any proof or evidence about the things that I'm saying that I'm going to do. Don't worry about that. Don't bog your mind down with that. Just flip the coin. That's right. Flip the coin. Don't worry about you ain't never seen a staff person. You ain't never seen me doing things with other people for this school. Don't worry about that. Flip the coin. Put in the chat. Flip the coin. Flip the coin. That's right. You go ahead and you pick up the King Kong coin today, brothers and sisters, and we going to see the FDGM school launched. That's right. We're going to see it launched. Absolutely. I know I've given at least 14 other launch dates, but I'm telling you right now, the 15th is the charm. See, the other ones, that was a throw off the Youtubian struggle streamers. See, they thought it was the 14th, but it really was the 15th. See, I'm smarter than them. I'm playing 4D chess. They playing checkers. Flip the coin. That's right. I see you. Flip the coin. That's right. I don't care what they say. I don't care. We gonna make this school happen. That's right. I know. You've never actually seen me in the building actually doing things inside the building. You see me standing outside all the time. But we're going to do it. It's going to happen. Flip the coin. Flip the coin. Put in the chat, flip the coin. That's right. Flip the coin if you believe in flipping the coin. If you got your crypto wallet, go ahead and buy the coin now. Shout out to all my Asian Africans, my Middle Eastern Africans, those Africans in South America. Shout out to the African Africans. Shout out to them all. Brothers and sisters, we're going to start this school right now. And this is the first of its kind, but not the last. We're going to be all over the place. I need, a matter of fact, I need somebody over in Houston to tell me if you got an old abandoned building that might have been a nuclear waste dump that I can maybe start the second school at. What about y'all up there in Chicago? Y'all got any old abandoned buildings? What about y'all over in Atlanta? Y'all got any old abandoned buildings that maybe are a biohazard? I would love to start my third and fourth schools over there. Let's go. And of course, then we going all over the world, maybe some war-torn places. I'm sure they got some property for cheap. We're gonna be going all over the place. With the crypto coin is gonna push us there. The King Kong coin. Flip the coin. Flip the coin. Let's get it going, people. Let's make it happen. Come on. The Youtubian struggle streamers can't stop us. We going global. We going international. We going multiversal. That's right. We shouting them out even in the multiverse. Come on, let's go. Intergalactic. Over in Sector 98732. That's right. We gonna do it. Let's make it happen, people. Say it with me one more time. Flip the coin.